How to fix the error failed the login in Fall Guys. Now the first thing that you need to do is check if it's your fault or is it the Fall Guys server's fault. So head on to your web browser, go to downdetector.com, type in Fall Guys. And here, as you can see, there are no recent complaints about Fall Guys servers being down. If there are complaints, the best thing that you can do is just wait a couple hours for the servers to be fixed and then enter the game again. Now, if the servers are not down and it's something wrong on your end, then follow these methods. The first method is to open up your firewall. Here, Windows Defender Firewall. Click Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Click on Change Settings and allow another app. Under Path, select Browse. And here you want to select all of these. Now first select the Easy Anti-Cheat Launcher. And here, as you can see, it's already on the list. So I'm gonna go back and add the client game, the client, the bootstrapper, and click OK. Now if that doesn't work, the second thing that you can do is type in CMD in the Windows search bar, right click and select Run as Administrator. Select Yes. And here type in ipconfig /flush DNS. Then type in ipconfig /renew. And wait a couple seconds. And when that's done, type in netsh winsock reset, and then click enter. If it's not fixed, I have another method for you. Go to the Windows search bar and type in Control Panel. On the top right, type in Network. Here you go, Network and Sharing Center. Go to the Connections. Select the option Use the following DNS server addresses. And that's how to fix the error failed the login in Fall Guys.